Are you looking for the best 3D printers for home? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer supports a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second, 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. The speed has been greatly improved while maintaining the printing quality, saving 73% of the time compared with other printers. Ender 3v3 SE is the upgrade of Ender 3, Ender 3v2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3v2 Neo, Ender 3S1, Ender 3S1 Pro etc. 3D printer, comes with the new upgraded Sprite full metal dual gear direct extruder, more powerful extruder pushing force and lightweight. The extruder realizes smooth feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping. Works extremely well in printing filaments like PLA, TPU, PETG, etc. Creality Ender 3 upgraded 3D printer features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. There is no need to participate manually throughout the process, making leveling much easier. High-precision dual Z-axis lead screws reduce Z wobbling effectively, avoid printing deviation in single-axis printing. This Creality 3D printer Y-axis features two 8mm linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, ensuring printing stability and higher printing accuracy over a long-lasting time. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3v2 Combo 3D Printer. Bringing bold imagination into real form feels incredibly satisfying, and the ANYCUBIC Kobra 3v2 Combo 8-color 3-dimensional printer transforms that vision into an exciting daily experience. Watching vibrant creations take shape with multiple colors adds a unique emotional touch, making every project feel alive and deeply personal. This journey inspires creativity in a way that keeps the mind engaged and constantly curious. Speed changes everything when it comes to maintaining passion. A smoother and faster process keeps ideas flowing without interruption, allowing users to stay connected to their work from start to finish. This continuous progress builds excitement, helping creators explore fresh concepts without losing motivation. Each completed design becomes a proud moment that encourages even greater ambition. Consistency creates trust that every effort will lead to something meaningful. Clean and balanced results provide reassurance, making the entire experience feel dependable and rewarding. This confidence allows beginners to start comfortably while giving experienced users the freedom to push creative limits further than before. A natural and simple learning curve makes the journey enjoyable rather than stressful. Adjustments feel easy to understand, turning each attempt into a chance to grow and improve. The connection between user and creation becomes stronger with every finished piece, building a sense of achievement that feels truly special. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max Combo 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max Combo has an ultra-large print volume of 420 x 420 x 500 mm, enabling effortless creation of full-scale models like helmets, castles, and oversized 3D printed reliefs in multiple colors. With seamless printing that ensures the integrity of your creations. When printing in bulk, the large printing size of the ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max Combo enables more models to be printed in each batch, reducing the overall number of printing cycles. This will save time and conserve materials when printing multicolor models in mass production. The Skip Objects function is supported by 3Ns, the app, slicing software, and printer. By utilizing AL recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing. This feature helps prevent material wastage and ensures that subsequent models can be printed successfully. The ACE Pro supports standard 4-color printing. By pairing two ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. By pairing two ACE Pros to conveniently store multiple spools of filaments in the same color series, the ACE Pro can swiftly convert into a backup filament box for seamless feeding. For spools of filament in different color series, organize them by color for easy access and avoid frequent spool changes. Number 4. Aibecy 3D Printer. Designed with beginners in mind, this frequency division multiplexing 3D printer allows for easy usage even if you have no experience with 3D slicing software. Simply download the model files, code files, onto a memory card, insert it into the printer, and you're ready to start printing. With straightforward controls, you can load materials by pressing the plus key and easily unload them with the key. This intuitive operating ensures you can focusing on creativity without technical barriers. The beginner 3D printer features a compact printing size of 4 by 4 by 4 inches, 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters, and is equipped with an excellent all-metal nozzle. This design ensures optimal printing temperatures, significantly reducing the risk of printing errors. Supporting 1.75mm PLA and TPU filaments, it delivers high layer resolutions of up to 0.05mm, ensuring that each model is printed accurately with slick, vibrant results, suitable for educational and innovative projects. The frequency division multiplexing 3D printer is engineered for efficient heating, making it suitable for beginners. With a unique key system, you can effortlessly start, stop, and control the printing process. The nozzle heats evenly and reaches temperatures of 180 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, which is sufficient for PLA material. This fast heating capability minimizes downtime, allowing you to begin your projects quickly and efficiently. You can print from both included model files and models downloaded online, offering versatility in your innovative projects. This feature enables you to explore a wide range of designs, fostering innovation and experimentation. The 3D printing machine serves as an excellent educational tool, encouraging kids to develop their spatial imagination and 3D perception through hands-on learning experiences. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon P1 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon P1 utilizes industrial-grade ball screws and linear guide rails, achieving a remarkable repeat positioning accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. This robust motion control system provides a rock-solid foundation, ensuring stable operation and print precision. The wave release technology reduces release force by a massive 60% compared to traditional smooth surface NFEP film, ensuring superior print quality and consistency. Preloaded printing parameters for all ANYCUBIC resins. Supports multi-plate simultaneous slicing for efficient batch printing of multi-part models. AI identifies self-supporting structures and high-risk overhang areas. Generates precision supports that minimize residue while ensuring critical region stability and easy support removal. Apply different support densities to distinct regions, e.g., delicate surfaces versus structural backs, to balance surface quality and success rates. Integrated camera enables remote printing submission and real-time progress monitoring via ANYCUBIC app. Wi-Fi plus Ethernet support ensures secure file transfers and full privacy protection with LAN isolation mode.